Hey everyone! Today, we're talking about YouTube monetization. We'll go over the simple steps to get you started on your journey as a successful creator. Ready to get started? First, you need to understand the basics of YouTube monetization. To even qualify, there are two key goals you need to hit: 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past year. I know that might sound like a lot, but don't worry. In this video, we'll break down these requirements step by step and give you the tips you need to succeed. Let's break down the goals. First up, the 1,000 subscriber mark. Your channel needs to reach this number to qualify for monetization. Next, you need 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. You also have to comply with YouTube's community guidelines and policies to be eligible. Finally, you'll set up an AdSense account to receive revenue. Here are the essential tips to get monetized. Create high-quality, engaging content. Build a loyal audience over time. Understand and follow YouTube's policies and guidelines. Engage with your viewers through comments. Let's talk about watch hours. What exactly are they? They're the total amount of time viewers spend watching your videos. You must achieve 4,000 watch hours in a year to qualify for monetization. To boost your watch time, focus on creating longer, engaging videos and use playlists to keep viewers watching. You can also promote your videos on social media to reach a wider audience. Subscribers are a key factor in monetization. Having 1,000 subscribers shows that people value your content. A larger subscriber base leads to more views and engagement, which improves your chances of earning revenue from ads. Staying compliant with YouTube's policies is crucial. To avoid copyright issues, use royalty-free music and credit creators properly. So, you've learned the steps to get monetized, and you're ready to start your journey. Keep creating, keep engaging.